Hello, welcome to this new video. In this video, you will learn how to write faster because I've seen comments in my YouTube channel asking for more ideas on how to help them write faster. So here are some tips for you. And the first tip that I have for you is to always keep a small notebook by your side for note-taking purposes. So sometimes we have ideas that are popping in our head every now and then if we don't write them down, okay, we will just forget about them, and then when we want to write an actual piece of writing, we find that we don't have enough ideas to write about. Now, if we have a notebook on our hands, we can always let the ideas accumulate. So whenever an idea pops into your head, just go ahead and jot it down. So you can do this in your handphone nowadays. Most people use handphones, or you can do this the old school way, where you just have a traditional notebook that is on your table or by your bedside, and then you can jot down your ideas like before you go to bed, or even when you have ideas coming to you in the middle of the night. Okay, and the next tip that I have for you is to when you write, you can always draw on prior knowledge. Okay, all of us have got different experiences, we have seen different things, read different books, and we have this wealth of knowledge that is in our head. So make it a habit, right? Whenever you want to write, we can always refer to our own knowledge, refer to our own experience. So that will give us many ideas that we can write about. The key thing that we want to avoid is to run into mental block when we write, because when you run into mental blocks, you are wasting a lot of time sitting there, and then nothing goes onto your paper. And of course, the next tip I have for you is that you want to be able to write fast. Now, there's no shortcut for learning how to write fast. Now, if you can type very fast and you're working on a project paper, that's fine. But what if you're sitting for an exam and then you have to rely on your handwriting, right, to write or complete the essay that is within the time allocation that is given to you. So what you can do is have practice writing drills that are on a daily basis. In other words, every day you wake up, right, you just have these writing practices that you do. So these can be words. If you are at a beginner level learning English, okay, you can just write down some words or phrases. What are some adjectives that you can write? Be very familiar with these words, because you're going to write them and use them very often. Now, of course, if you're at the more intermediate level, try to form sentences or even go as far as writing short paragraphs. So it's helpful if you do things like keeping a personal journal. So you can actually write down what happened in your daily life, write down any interesting things that you see, and try to pick up new words from news articles that you read, and then try to form sentences with them. So do stuff like that. And if you do it, and if you're doing it on a daily basis, you can actually improve in the long run. And of course, the final tip I have for you in this video is to learn to think fast and work fast. Now, some people want to write fast, okay, but if you do not think fast enough, the ideas do not come to you, right? And people who do not think fast are usually in the habit of working or doing everything slowly. So they have this habit of doing things slowly, and then when it comes to writing, they find that they cannot speed up. So make it a habit to work fast, right? Try to think fast and work fast. So overall, this will actually help you in your writing and help you complete your writing faster. So that's all I have for you in this video, and I'm very thankful for you, to my viewers, to actually come to my channel to watch my videos. So once again, a big thank you. And the ideas for the videos actually come from you guys. So be sure to comment and leave your ideas and feedback below in the comment section below. I'll try to respond in the next video. And do remember to subscribe. Right, that's all I have for you. Have a nice day. Bye.